Dito lang nga rin. Oo, yung una sa loob na manhi. Kaya mo man ipalit ito.
Once again, good afternoon. Okay, I'm here in Sorbeto case. No, today is about 21 treatment sessions. Again, for 4 days, I'm really sorry to the family. No, okay, maybe nahurot po akong dopamine. No, nahurot po akong dopamine. I'm just only human being. But for 4 days, I've been absent. I've been in the room. No, I've been praying. No, kung unsa bagay Lord. No, so sorry for 4 days absent. No, so I'm here with you. No, Sorbeto. So karon continuous ya. Again, thank you for the Federal Bureau of FBI no sa US. So here, again ako ni kapakita gid ninyo. So now here, no, kusog na kayo na. Here again. Here. Again, who would you kung ano nga mo comment mo nga dili mo recover? Who are you? Are you God, no? So kita yung skin nicho again from Delisa the book, no? There. Again, we continue. Again, I'm really sorry na out po akong dopamine, no? By which po ni garantiya po nako ang United States of America. So there, no? Again, here sorry for the 4 days, no? I need to pray siguro, no? Without support man lagi. So wa na ko to makontinue ako ang episode 3, no? By which lagi nga I cannot blame my neighborhood nga katugid cheeky, no? By which lagi that's my fault, no? Because I forgot my password from the PayPal, no? Kaya grabe ka sensitive na nero na akong account, no? December 18, Thursday, ka 21 treatment session. I'm sorry to the whole family, so especially the nurse and the caregiver, no? So again, ato ni balik, no? Again, I'm here, but I'm 10 days advance with my plan, no? So here, again, ni-recover si Cho. So here si Cho, no? Ang ako am gulan is about ikinalan mo gunin nato i-research by which kini siya is nurse, no? Nurse, and then mula ako maguning nga mula baw pa mangukus doktora ni kay why is it because nga kini siya GPig nangutan ako sa nurse niya nga unsam gid exact term kay mo po na akong i-research mapakita po nako ni Cho by which baka inspired po sa iya, no? It's all about eyes and ears, no? Dili niya ako gikan lagi ni sa Harvard and Hopkins, no? Here now I understand, no? So here again in the encyclopedia or Wikipedia for the for the electronic millennium. So my boss, no, Susan, I'm here. My boss po si Larry Page, and my boss po si Mark, no, and then Bill Gates there, Richard Branson also my boss, no, and then kini si Angelina Jolie is about siya maguroy ambassador of goodwill from the United Nations by which no helping og tinuod magitang helping the poor. This is for the poor, yeah, again more gid last, no. So here asam ko na tong money. So here again they pay me here down to the kuan kay nagdaan ako sa copyright is the YouTube. Again mo lagi nawad-an na sa ko og dopamine by which no nga karon I'm in the computer net, no. So here ang gihatag nila nga science stage again tanan day nga na Wikipedia and the most and famous, no, nasa Wikipedia but wala sa sciencestage.com by which is all about the scientist, no. Here's the NASA, yeah. Again, kumita ka ng $960 for 4 days. Again, $960 for 4 days. Again, thank you, yeah. So, nawaan again. So, here, the ergometer calibrator. Thank you for the America, no. It's my fault lagi kay nawa akong password sa PayPal by which, no, nga, I have also a first degree cousin nga si RC na muhikay ani akong papilis for the electronic millennium, no. Again, so here, again, this is all our, we are proud Pinoy, no, especially Cebuano. Which here, again, the ergometer, no. So here kacho follow ni nga case, no, kay pinaka-unique ni nga case by which siguro nga so here the Wikipedia as for electronic millennium year 2000 ready the sciencestage.com scientist.com, no, recognized by the patent date 12/25/14 by the inventor, no, as one of the science. Thank you for the YouTube, Google, Facebook and and YouTube, yeah, for the and then Sir Richard Branson, there you are, no. So here the Wikipedia of Hearty Pure Care nakasuwat na dito, no. Again, thank you po ni Cho, di po ni nako makuha without the help of him, no. Kay mao man siya nakahatag na to katong taga foreigner, no. So again, our management for today is about more on the upper extremity, the ergometer, no, the Arwin ergometer by which just for the heart morning recover si Cho, no. The only machine nga without sa ilaha is kanira gid, no. Mo lagi to nga I'm really sorry for the family. I know naka-advance ko but mo lagi no nga kinanglan mo lagi na ko in research kay ako mapakita ni Cho by which to inspire him and also for the viewers kay dili niya ako mugna gikan gina sa Harvard and Hopkins mao rin gina ako ikuan na, no. So again I would like to thank ni Cho, no, for the cooperation by which lagi ni recover na, no. Again na magud may plan this coming 21 hopefully nga makadtumig Jollibee nga ma-outside siya sa four walls within 1 year and 2 months mo lagi no nga inspired people niya ko. Then I'm really sorry nahurot po akong dopamine. So here the time, yeah. So karon ang among goal is about nga hot packs and tent. No, it's about electrical stimulator, upper and lower. Then we do the massage. Then wa sa meroy weights by which nga ako ang imore nako ang iyahang cardio by which morning kay padag recover by which ako lagi ni kuan ng days katong iyang pagkaon nga makita na sa iyang food no ari na gid sa mouth. Again, makita nimo ang face ni Cho. Wa na gid no. Again, so makita po nimo nga di na kay contracture and then after that we do the Arwen ergometer in here no. Why is it in here? Because maka-proper magud mi nga mao ginay nagdas sa iyang recovery para mawa na tumaayo na tumuhil na to iyang digestive system by which last time nagdako sa katong linaksi ni sa kan doktor nga libro no from the Harvard nga akong ipakita ni Cho nga mo recover unsa may pagkaon sa digestive system is the blood no, the brain, the muscles, name it, tanan is the blood no. That's why I invented this one is for the blood no. Unsa malagi reaction sa imong heart no, umupump imong heart kusog kayo. So here again this is your heart no, kusog lagi kay ka pump. So here, makakaon ang digestive system nito. And also, maabot lagi sa lower extremity by which nga, wa man siya movement. No? Again, mao gina akong gihimo sa kanang Arwen ergometer, no? By which recognized and patented by the United States of America. Again, thank you US. No? So, inyo paging ipakita, to inspired me. No? I have to continue about kumita kanang $960. No? Again, I'm not after the money. Magsunod man ginya po na is about the health of people. No? Especially nga, para sa kuha na gino, kanang awarding. This is the last no nga mao ra ginato magpakuan nga karon pinaka-peak no from the American Heart Association. There you are no, from the Shuttle Kids, there you are again here from the Harvard no, there again it's all based on study in the Harvard and Hopkins, American Heart Association and British Heart Foundation. Wa jud ko giilad na by which I modified with all my experience for 14 years no ang pinakasakit nga okay. Here again continue mi kacho no. So again here this is our 20 treatment sessions. Again, sorry for the familia. Again, thank you.